How to upload high quality reels on Instagram. First is by opening your Instagram app and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you're there, click on the three lines found on the upper right corner. Simply click on Settings, scroll down until you can see Preferences, and go to Data Usage right here. Click on that one and make sure that the use less cellular data option has been turned off. So you may know that it has been turned off if the toggle button is on the left or it is color gray. Also, make sure to click on the upload at highest quality. So make sure to turn on that upload at highest quality, and then now you may go back to your Instagram and try uploading your reels. So just another tip I may give is that you should go to your settings, scroll down until you can see your camera right here, and make sure to choose record video right here and choose the highest quality that you have. So right here I have 4K at 60 FPS. So this is the highest quality that I have. I'll choose that one. So whenever I take a video, then my quality will be at 4K. So that's it. That's how you can upload high quality reels on Instagram.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.